Welcome viewers to Startup News. I am your host Aishwarya. My Startup TV is the world's first online TV channel for startups, investors and enablers. On the My Startup TV app, you can watch live startup news, views and debate. If you have a story, we will cover it. Download the app from Google Play Store. Top headlines for today are: Prime Minister Modi chairs meet on crypto concerns raised over non-transparent advertising. Zomato among 9 new stocks in MSCI India Index from December. Niti Aayog member bats for Hyperloop trials by foreign firms in India. Now the news in detail are: Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a high-level meeting on the way forward regarding cryptocurrency, wherein concerns were raised on over-promising and non-transparent advertising. Zomato is set to enter the MSCI India Index barely months after the food tech firm became the first consumer internet startup to list on the National Stock Exchange after a blockbuster debut. India has the capacity to design its own Hyperloop for ultra high-speed travel, but since it will take time to develop the technology indigenously, the country should allow foreign companies to set up a line to showcase the transportation system here, says Niti Aayog member VK Saraswat. Amazon Seller Services gets a fresh fund infusion of Rs 1,460 crores from its parent company. Amazon Seller Services operates Amazon's marketplace, helping sellers to sell their products online in India and globally. Startups are gaining the edge over tech companies, with over 980 of them funded and 35 turning unicorns in 2021, besides having a war chest of $32 billion and counting. Startups are increasingly attracting and absorbing top-tier talent right from campuses to C-suite levels. API Holdings, the parent company of e-pharmacy unicorn PharmEasy, has filed its draft red herring prospectus for raising Rs 6,250 crores during its journey from being a new entrant in the health tech space to a $5.6 billion e-pharma major. Online beauty e-commerce platform Nykaa reported that revenue from operations rose 47% year-on-year to around Rs 1.2 crores in the corresponding quarter of last year. Go Fashion India Limited and Tarson's Products are all set to come out with their initial public offerings this week to jointly raise Rs 2,038 crores. Chalo, a mobile app that helps users track buses across cities and book bus tickets online, is in advanced talks to acquire two-wheeler rental startup Vogo in a share swap deal. Mumbai-based Meresis Advisors, which helped Ola and Ixigo bring in new investors, is raising a dedicated startup fund as it seeks to tap opportunities from the pandemic-aided digital boom.